So hello students, this is class third. Class third, subject is GSC and date 17/4/2021. In this lesson, in this subject, we have started to study this is lesson 1, living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. So in this lesson last time we studied about what are living things and what are the non-living things, and also given you the space for filling these entry. So I hope that you have completed. Now today we have to discuss in detail about some properties of, some characteristics of living things. So first important property is living things breathe. So we are studying the properties of, characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living characteristics of living things. So first, living things breathe. First characteristic, living things breathe. This is very important feature. We have studied about the properties of living things. Living things breathe. Breathe means it is not an act of exchange of the gases. We take oxygen and emit carbon dioxide. By the respiration, by the breathing, the oxidation of the food material takes place. As a result, energy is formed, energy is produced. All the living things having this property, whether they are plants or animals. So all living things breathe air. All living things breathe air. Human beings and many animals breathe through their nose. Human beings and many animals breathe through their noses and lungs. Fishes breathe through gills. Insects breathe through air holes or air tubes. Plants breathe through minute pores in their leaves called stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things breathe. How human beings breathe? Human beings and other animals breathe with their nose and their lungs. Aquatic animals, not all the aquatic animals, but most of the aquatic animals like fish, they breathe through gills. They have gills which help in the exchange of the gases. And in the insects, just like cockroach, grasshopper, they breathe. They do not breathe with the lungs. They do not breathe with the gills, but they breathe through air. Holes or air tubes. Air holes or air tubes help in the breathing of insects like cockroach, grasshopper, butterfly, etc. etc. Plants also respire. For plants, how they respire? They have minute pores. Many minute pores are found in leaves, or some other plants also may contain the pores. So they have leaves of the plant having minute pores. These pores are called as the stomata. Exchange of the gases in plants take place by these stomata. What to say about the non-living things? Just like chair, table, mobile, and the furniture, bricks, etc., etc. They breathe? No. They do not breathe. They do not breathe. Next property, living things need food. Living things need food. Living things need food. Living things need food. Every living things, that may be plant or animal, they need food. If anything have no need of the food, they may not be considered as living things. So all living things need food. Food gives them energy to grow, move and keep healthy. Human beings and animals eat and drink daily. Animals move from place to place for food and water. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. So all the living things need food. What is use of food? If you are not getting the food in the one day, then you are feeling the weakness, tiredness. If not getting food for many days, more and more weaker. So food provides us energy. It is necessary for growth. Food keeps body healthy. All animals need food. Later we will study some get their food from the plants, some get their food from the animal, herbivorous, carnivorous, etc. etc. Plants also need the food. Plants make their food. In sense of the plant, what I am telling you, that is green plants. Plants make their the food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll by a process known as photosynthesis. So, green plants make their food themselves, while animals are not able to make their food themselves. So, that depends directly or indirectly on the plants. So, in this way, both plants and animals need food. So, these are living things. Non-living things like fan, table, chair, bricks, they no need of the food. So, they are non-living things. Now, next one, living things grow. Next property, living things grow. What property is that? Living things grow. You know that a child become very small, and in due course of the time he become the young and the adult. A plant is small, and due course of the time increases in the height and weight. Living things have growth. And all living things grow. Plants, animals, and human beings grow with time. A baby grows into an adult. A baby grows into an adult. A puppy grows into a dog. A small plant grows into a big plant. So, in this way, growth is an important characteristic feature of living things. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not grow. As you said, chair, table, and other furniture, bricks, etc., they do not grow. So, in this way, non-living things have no growth. Thank you. That's for today. Next day we will discuss about the living things, some more properties of the living things we will discuss. Thank you. That's for today.